of lesson coordinate geometry practice set 5.1, and the first question is that some given points are there, point AB, point PQ, point RS, and so, and we have to find out the distance between these 2 points by using distance formula. Let's see for first. There are 2 points, that is A is 2, 3 and the second point is B having coordinate 4 and 1. Let's assume that here A has the coordinate x1, y1 and point B has coordinate x2, y2. Then we can say that 2 is a x1, here x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. For point B, x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. Let's, by using distance formula, as we know that the distance formula for AB is that, see here, distance between point A and B is in root x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square, or you can take x2 minus and x1 bracket square, y2 minus y1 bracket square are same. After keeping value in formula, you will get x1 is 2. So write here 2 minus x2 is 4 bracket square plus y1 is 3 and y2 is 1 bracket square. Now see here, 2 minus 4 it is minus 2 bracket square plus 3 minus 1 it is 2 bracket square. Now here 2 square or minus 2 square is 4, where 2 square is also 4. You will get answer that root 8. But after simplifying this, you will get 4 multiplied by 2 and you can keep that 4 outside by taking their square root as. So, the distance between point AB is 2 root 2 unit. This is the first answer. Let's see for second solution, that is point P and Q. Okay. For this, also we have to consider that point P has the coordinate x1, y1 and point P has coordinate, Q has coordinate x2, y2. Okay. Let's see that solution. For point P, minus 5, 7 and for point Q has the coordinate minus 1, 3. Assume that P has coordinate, same procedure you have to follow. P has coordinate x1, y1 or Q has coordinate x2, y2. Okay. Now see here. Here x1 is minus 5 or y1 is 7. x2 is minus 1 and y2 is 3. Now by using distance formula, the distance between PQ, it is PQ, and the formula is x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. Now see, as x1 is minus 5, right here minus 5 minus x2 is minus 1, that is minus 1 bracket square. Now y1 is 7, so 7 minus y2 is 3 bracket square. After solving this bracket, see here, this negative 5 take as it is, this minus minus will get positive 1 bracket square, and here 7 minus 3 it is 4 bracket square. Now solve this bracket, minus 5 plus 1 it is 4 square plus 4 square. You will get 16 plus 16, that is 32. Now see here, after solving this bracket on simplifying, you will get 16 multiplied by 2, or if we take this 16 to outside, you have to take the square root, or by taking the square root outside you will get 4 root 2 units. Hence the distance between point P and Q is 4 root 2 units. Okay, this is the solution for second. Now let's see third solution. For this you have to only change their names. So see here. The third one R has coordinate -3 and S has coordinate 0, 5 upon 2. Let's assume that R has a coordinate x1, y1 and S has a coordinate x2, y2. Then we can say that x1 is 0, y1 is -3, x2 is 0 and y2 is 5 upon 2. Okay. Now by using distance formula, that is distance between point RS is in root x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. See here, x1 is 0 and x2 is 0. So 0 minus 0 bracket square, the term is again 0. Now y1 minus y2, that is y1 is, take square bracket, y1 is -3 in simple bracket minus y2 is 5 upon 2 whole bracket square. Okay, now we have to solve only this bracket because this term is goes 0. Now see here, for this, as negative get added, or you can say here -3 minus 5 upon 2 bracket square. Only I am removing this bracket. Now see, this will come. After solving this, you can see 2 3s are -6 minus 5 upon 2 and the answer will become bracket square. Now see, minus get added, 6 5 11 in root 11 upon 2 minus 11 bracket square. But if we take square of any negative number, it will be positive. So you can write here answer as this square root and this square will get cancelled and the answer is become 11 upon 2. If you take bracket of square of this, you will get positive number. So the answer is 11 upon 2. So the distance between point R and S is 11 upon 2, which is equal to 5.5 units. Hence distance between point R and S is 5.5 units. Let's see the solution for next, that is fourth, point L, point M. So only rough that which we not have important. Okay, see, only rough that points. So our point is L and M. So right here, point L has the coordinate 5 minus 8 and point M has the coordinate -7 minus 3. Okay, so let us assume that point L has coordinate x1 y1 and point M has coordinate x2 y2. So let here x1 is 5, y1 is -8, x2 is -7, y2 is -3. Now we have to find out distance between point L M, that is L M, and by using distance formula, let's substitute value in that formula. So x1 is 5 minus x2 is, make square bracket, x2 is negative number, okay, bracket square. Now the second one, y1 is -8 minus y2, it is -3, bracket square. Let's solve this bracket first. Here negative get added. So 5 plus 7 bracket square plus here negative get added. So minus 8 plus 3 bracket square. After solving this bracket, 5 plus 7 it is 12 square and here minus 8 plus 3 that is minus 5 square. Now see what is square of that. 12 having square 144 plus 5 having square. The negative number has positive square. So write here 25. The answer will become distance between point LM is 144 plus 25 it is 169. Hence by taking square root of 169 it is 30. So simply we can say that the distance between point L and M is 13 units. Okay. Let's have a solution of next fifth number, that is point T and R. So take here point T, R. T has the coordinate minus 3, 6 and point R has the coordinate 9, minus 10. Assume that T has the coordinate x1, y1 and R has the coordinate x2, y2. Let's keep their values in here and by using distance formula we can easily find out distance between T and R, that is TR. So here x1 is minus 3, y1 is 6, x2 is 9 and y2 is minus 10. Let's find out by using distance formula distance between point T and R, that is TR. So here keep values in distance formula x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Here x1 is minus 3, x2 is 9 bracket square plus y1 is 6 minus y2 is minus 10 bracket square. Let's solve these brackets. Minus 3 minus 9 get added, that is 12 minus 12 bracket square plus here minus get plus, that is 6 plus 10 bracket square. Now here after solving these brackets, minus 12 has square 144 and 6 plus 10 that is 16 has square 256. Let's add it. We get 460, here 1, again 0, 400. By taking square root we get 20. That means the distance between point TR is 20 units. Now for 6th number, points are W has coordinate minus 7 upon 2 and 4 and the second point is X having coordinate 11 and 4. So suppose W has coordinate x1, y1 and point X has coordinate x2, y2. Then we can write here that is x1 is minus 7 upon 2, y1 is 4 and x2 is 11 where y2 is 4. That's by using distance formula we get we can find out distance between point W, X as x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 or you can write y1 minus y2 bracket square. So substitute value of x1, y1, x2, y2 in given brackets we get as x1 is minus 7 upon 2 minus x2 is 11 bracket square and here y1 is 4 minus 4 bracket square. Let's solve these brackets. Minus will get add. So write only here, remove the brackets. Minus 7 upon 2 minus 11 bracket square plus 4 minus 4 it is 0 bracket square. Now see here, as this 11 has no denominator, so multiply this number. Take 7 minus 7 as it is. Multiply this number to this, we get minus 22 and denominator 2 bracket square and here 0. After solving this, see here we get minus 7 minus 22, it is minus 29 upon 2 plus 0. Here bracket square. Now we know that this has positive term, so you can take here 29 upon 2 as square root by taking their square root, okay, plus 0. So this is the distance between point W and X, or you can find out this answer in fraction number as 14.5 units. So the distance between point WX is 14.5